Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting your Xbox controller and confirming drivers are installed so Windows exposes X input. Once done, pick your mapping path. Steam input for easy bindings, or X360C if you need precise local remaps. Make sure Tlauncher is closed while you set up mapping tools. This prevents conflicts and ensures profiles write correctly. You want the controller recognized as an X input device before opening Minecraft because Tlauncher relies on external mapping layers rather than native controller support. Next, add the Tlauncher Java executable as a non-Steam game or place X360C beside the Minecraft launcher jar. Then create a mapping profile. Bind jump, inventory, attack, and hotbar slots to buttons and map look/move to the right/left sticks. Once done, launch Tlauncher through the mapping layer so inputs pass through. Test in a single-player world. If sensitivity or dead zones feel off, adjust stick curves and thresholds in the mapper, because fine-tuning makes movement feel natural. Finally, save your profile and enable auto-load so the controller mapping activates every time you launch Tlauncher. Make sure you start the launcher through Steam or your chosen mapper to guarantee the layer intercepts inputs. If things go wrong, first reconnect the controller and relaunch the mapper, then reinstall Xbox drivers or run the mapper and launcher as administrator. As a targeted fix, try switching between Steam input and X360C to identify which tool works best with your controller and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.